I'm making this short video and taking this opportunity to thank you all sincerely from the bottom of my heart. Thank you all so much. Wood you like to make. Hi everyone, how are you all my dear followers of Would You Like to Make? This is Jay Torres once again, and it's been a little while. First of all, I apologize for our infrequent meetings because I was quite busy with other activities, and I do admit that due to my busyness, I did not immediately notice that it turns out that the number of my followers on this Facebook page has already reached its first 10,000 plus followers. Wow, I can hardly believe and so happy that in just a short period, my page followers has reached this number, even though I have only uploaded, for now, a very few videos. And well, because of this, I am very grateful to all of you, my followers. That is why I'm making this short video and taking this opportunity to thank you all sincerely from the bottom of my heart. Thank you all so much. And though it takes me longer to make woodworking videos, which I know you have all been waiting for, you remain continuously and patiently following and supporting my page, and that is what I'm truly appreciate about. And I hope you will stay tuned for more videos of mine to come soon. And to those not yet following my page, please hit the follow or like button, and please consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. So again, my 10,000 thanks go to every one of you. Stay following and subscribe. God bless and see you